Hey guys, today I want to talk about why you should invest money in your business. I know for beginning it's not easy when you start your business and you start to think like you must save money, don't spend the money. When comes some clients, you are happy, you have some project, you work, you have extra money, but you don't want to spend this money for maybe buy new tools, invest in the courses, or maybe rent the studio for photo shoot or something. You're looking for the most cheaper option, but sometimes this option is not good. And that I will be talking today about this, why you should invest in your business all the time. When I was a full-time photographer, it's happened 2 years ago, I have a problem to spend money. I save, of course, money for my business for another year. Like if something happen, I don't have clients or is income not big first year, I have backup. I can use this money for extra something, but pay my bills, pay for my food, or buy some props for photography, or maybe invest money something in my education with the photography. But it was hard for me to spend any penny extra because I think like I cannot spend because I don't have income. I don't have new clients. How I can spend if I don't have income? But this was a mistake. And I didn't grow in my company. I grow like photographer because I practice. I have a lot of times. I do different type of the photography. I would start to work for one stock agency. This opened me so much how much more I must to learn about styling and editing the photo. Quickly I learned so many things because I photography for them so many beautiful food, but I didn't grow like in marketing. I didn't grow in like maybe different skills what opened me another doors, and this was big mistake. Of course I need 1 year to learn about this and start to invest. First things what was I invest was in course, styling course with one lady. Was good course, but I didn't learn so much from this course because I know so many things. But what I can say, I saw it how somebody work. I saw it what I don't know and where is my small mistake to make better photo. Another things was I invest in the tools. I buy new softbox, I buy new lens for photography the restaurant because I start to work and photography food, but I won't think about go to with my photography for restaurant shoot. But I know my lens 50 millimeters because I have this lens is not good, it's not enough. I need more different lens, and I bought Sigma 35 millimeters. And this was amazing idea, amazing things what I spent the money to buy this lens. First, I can easily to photography different things, easily to work in a restaurant. I have more opportunities to show different skills with this lens. That was amazing investigation for my business. Another things, I always miss the part something to marketing myself and pitch for clients how is good. Like now we have ChatGPT, is amazing tools, but if you don't know how to use these tools, you don't know how good you can use these tools for your business, you still will be not good. And I invest more money in marketing. Like the course, I have amazing course with one lady about marketing, how I pitch the clients, how better understand the clients, how show value with my job for the clients. This was always something what I miss. Of course, ChatGPT helped me more. I learned about ChatGPT from internet, more things, and now I can use these tools. And believe me, when I go now and talk about myself, what I do, what I can do for company, doesn't matter is restaurant, product photography, food something, I don't know, portrait photography. Believe me, 50-60% clients what I met start to work with me, or more understand how can use my photo for them business, and maybe in future will be my clients But believe me, I have more respond now yes than no what I have before. But of course, you must still learn and education yourself all the time, because photography change is never ending, always change, always something new, and I'm happy. I can learn new skills, new things, work better for my exactly for my business and for myself to be better photographer. And another things, invest in your website. Do a good website when you can show your skills. You can show what you do. Not only post their photo, talk about you, but use their video the same, like behind the scene, what you do, put there. Believe me, this will be grow. Now I travel today for one place. I will be learn there how to photography interior, and second things, I will be have their professional session. What will be for my website? I can use this photo for promotion myself, show what I do. I little want to do video behind the scene, show photo when I shoot something, more that. The website will be looks more professional, and believe me, always invest in your business. Doesn't matter. I'm happy. I am 2 years, and now when I have little money, I saving something extra. I have more clients, and I have extra money. I invest. This is the best things what I can do to grow. Don't think about you don't want to spend money. You want to be a better photographer, but you don't want to spend money. Don't think that. Please don't do that. Think about how you can grow with your business to invest little money and be better photographer and show better your skills, and what company who will be choice to work with you will be have benefit with this.